In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a separate folder in Outlook for specific emails, a useful skill that can significantly enhance your email organization. So, if you're ready to take charge of your inbox and streamline your email management, let's dive in. First, you'll want to head on over to the Microsoft Outlook webpage. Whether you're using a computer or your favorite web browser on a device, simply navigate to the official Outlook website. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says Sign In. Click on it. Now you'll be prompted to provide your login details. This is where you'll enter your email address and password. Once that's done, just click Next. Now you should find yourself on the Outlook dashboard, which acts as your central hub for all things email related. From here, shift your attention to the left corner of the screen. This area is crucial for accessing the various folders where your emails are stored. Within this section, you'll want to locate the option labeled Folder. It might take a moment to spot it if you're not familiar, but once you find it, you're on the right track. Next to the Folder option, you'll notice 3 dots. Think of these dots as a little gateway to customization. Click on them, and you'll open a menu that allows you to create a new folder. This feature is incredibly handy for those of us who like to keep our emails organized by project, sender, or any specific category that makes sense to you. Now here's the exciting part. You can create as many folders as you like. Need a folder for work-related emails? Go ahead and set one up. Want another for personal emails from friends and family? You can do that too. The flexibility here is fantastic, giving you complete control over how your emails are distributed and stored. Once you've clicked to create a new folder, you can name it whatever you wish. Choose a title that clearly reflects the types of emails that you plan to store there. For example, names like work projects, family messages, or newsletter subscriptions can be really effective in helping you quickly find what you need. After naming your folder, it will now appear in that same left corner under the folder area, making it easy to drag and drop emails into your newly created folder. Repeat this process as needed to keep your inbox tidy and efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully created a separate folder within Outlook to manage your emails better. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Feel free to explore other features in Outlook to further tailor your email experience. Happy organizing!